Assessment time is around the corner, and so is report card comment season. You already know what that means. Late nights, repeating the same sentence 40 times, trying to sound professional but also personal without copying and pasting. But what if I told you that you could generate professional report comments in seconds and still keep full control? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate report card comments within the CAPScribe platform, upload learner data for automatic analysis to refine comments so they still sound like you, and save countless hours during report season. I'm Dylan aka Mr. AI, and I built CAPScribe specifically to reduce admin pressure while keeping professional standards high. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so now that we have logged into CAPScribe and we have clicked on the report card generator section, you can see right in front of you that the report card generator is divided into two panels. On the left hand side is the left hand learner information panel, and on the right hand side is the generated comment panel, which will display the comment once it has been generated. So very simple. Okay, so there's another tab. If you click on this history button, it will show all your saved comments that has populated over time. So let's start by uploading our document that we want to extract and analyze the data in order to populate all these fields right here, in order for the AI to use to craft the best comment possible. Okay, let's go and click on this section over here and then upload an example report. And now the AI is going to extract all the data and then populate all the data extracted within these fields. And whatever fields that cannot be populated, we will do manually. So let's just give it a few seconds and wait for it to extract the data. Let's just give it a few more seconds. So, in addition, CAPScribe will scan the document that you have uploaded, and then it will extract the subject, the grade, the term, the mark, and use this as context for generating the report comment. And this eliminates all the typing errors and speeds up the workflow significantly. Okay, so now that the AI has extracted all the data, you can see over here the learner's name has been populated. And now let's choose a comment for English. The grade is grade 4, the term 4, and over here we have the mark that has been extracted for English. Okay, so now we can add the progress. Like, for example, has the learner improved? Were they consistent, or do they still need support? So let's go and choose they have improved, and the effort level was excellent. And now this is where you need to know your learner's strengths, their weaknesses, and areas that they need to improve on. So let's go ahead and add the strengths and the areas that need improvement on. There's something important happening right now in education. Sal Khan, founder of Khan Academy, recently said that AI is going to act as a teaching assistant for every single teacher. And he's not wrong. We are entering a time where AI isn't replacing teachers, it's reducing the admin load so teachers can focus on actual teaching. The Department of Basic Education isn't lowering the CAPS standards. If anything, accountability is increasing. More paperwork, more planning evidence, more alignment requirements, and at the same time, teachers are expected to do more with less time. That's where smart AI support becomes so powerful. Not generic AI, not random ChatGPT prompts, but structured curriculum-aligned tools built specifically for South African teachers like ourselves. That's exactly why I built CAPScribe. It's not here to replace your expertise. It's here to help you align faster, structure better, reduce repetitive admin, stay CAPS compliant, save hours every single week, you still bring the professional judgment. CAPScribe simply gives you a structured draft in seconds, aligned to your grade, subject duration and outcomes. And right now, there's a limited promotion for South African teachers. So use the code in the description, Elite 3 months, at the checkout to get a 50% discount off the Educator Pro for 3 months. You can start free, test it properly, and describe if it works for your context. The question isn't whether AI will be used in schools. The question is, will teachers use it responsibly and practically, or be overwhelmed by it? Now let's get back into the lesson plan. Okay, now that we have included all the strengths and the areas for improvement, let's go ahead and generate the comment. Now let's just give it a few seconds for the AI to do its work.
3 days later.
Okay, so within seconds, you'll see a structured caps-aligned comment appear on the right-hand side. And what you'll notice immediately is the professional tone, the balanced feedback, the strengths and improvement, and an encouraging closing statement. And most importantly, it sounds like a real teacher who wrote it because you provided the foundation. And now, the next step is to edit and refine. So if you want to refine the comment, you can just go ahead and edit it manually within the platform, or you can just copy it by clicking on this button and go pasting it into Word, and then just go and making your final changes, and then copy it back into the report card section where you write your comments. And then, as simple as that, we have a report comment. And now, before we end off, let me just read the comments so that you get an idea of how the AI crafted this comment based on the professional tone, the strengths, the progress, etc, etc. Okay, so this is what the AI said. Casey has achieved an outstanding result of 80% in English this term, reflecting a commendable improvement in her overall language proficiency. She demonstrates a sophisticated ability for a grade 4 learner to read between the lines and uses contextual clues effectively to understand complex texts. Her excellent effort and dedication are evident in a high quality of work she produces daily. To excel further, Casey is encouraged to focus on her time management skills during classwork and assessments. Practicing timed exercises will help her complete tasks more efficiently without sacrificing accuracy. With her strong foundation and determined attitude, she is well prepared for the challenges of grade 5. And as you can see, a well-balanced comment. All you need to do, if this does not sound like you, then you can always go and refine it. But this is an excellent output regarding a comment. It is detailed, it covers as much information, and as you can see, it's structured and organized. That being said, I hope that you have a better understanding of how to generate comments on a professional level, and all you just need to do is go and refine at a later stage. Report season doesn't have to mean burnout. You don't need to copy and paste, rephrase the same sentence 50 times over, or sacrifice the quality for speed. If you want to save countless hours during report season, generate structured caps-aligned report card comments, or stay professional and personal, then click the link below and try CAPScribe. You can also use the promo code Elite 3 months to get a 50% discount off the Educator Pro plan for 3 months. And if this video helped you, like, comment and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more practical AI workflows designed specifically for South African teachers like yourself. I'm Dylan, aka Mr. AI. I'll catch you in the next one.